Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. And it just goes power stop, power stop, power stop, power stop. Why is he stopped? What happened? अच्छा. Shall I also change my gloves? अच्छा, मेरी बाइक ना पावर ही नहीं बन रही इसमें.
It's not. I mean, you cannot pull this bike. You should have a bike. If you want to ride this bike, you have to ride it alone.
Yeah. No, how Tushar is being able to. The stock bike is doing well. It's just because of the things that I've done on the bike. Something is not working. It could be the ECU for all you know.
वो भी किया है ना, ट्यूनर लगाया है.
ट्यूनर है, हाँ. कुछ भी हो सकता है.
There is nothing like a validated engine or anything.
That is true. Will you do me a small favor as well? मैंने जो बैकपैक पहना हुआ है उसमें से आप मेरे ग्लव्स दे दोगे और ये रख दोगे उसमें. बट ये क्या स्ट्रेच है ना, मतलब इतना सुंदर स्ट्रेच, इतना प्यारा स्ट्रेच. मैंने कभी इमेजिन नहीं किया था कि इतना सुंदर होगा लद्दाख. आप तो you've done it a few times now.
I did it on all sorts of things यार. मैं तो buses में किया था.
Amazing.
बिल्कुल जब रॉ था तब भी किया.
हाँ. That was the year 97?
ना 97.
97. I was 10 in 97.
हाँ, you were saying.
हाँ. मैंने अंदर ना वो नहीं पहनी, फ्लीस नहीं पहनी. आई थॉट इसमें चल जाएगा, बट इसमें अब नहीं चल रहा है. मैंने सोचा इसमें चल जाएगा, बट इस पे चल नहीं रहा है. आई वोर दैट नाइकी ड्राई फिट वाला, बट ठीक है, अब हो जाएगा जैसा भी है, जो भी है.
You were carrying.
आई एम कैरिंग. या तो मैं रेन लाइनर भी पहन सकता हूँ.
Your rail liner is very very tight.
But it fits on top. But it's okay. I think I can ride like this. I'll just need the gloves. Thank you. So, Royal Enfield Vamos gloves are in, and we will wear these. I'm forgetting the name of these gloves, but these are their top of the line winter and rain gloves. Royal Enfield sent me their prototype gloves last year. We took it to Jibhi together, but it was so warm. We never. Oh fuck! I hit my hand somewhere. We never used them. So today is really the first time I get to sample these gloves after almost 6. हम कब गए थे जिबी? 6 महीने. जान फेब में गए थे क्या? हाँ, तो 6 months it's been since I've had these prototype gloves. They look good. I'll tell you more about these later. We'll do a review after the ride, or maybe somewhere mid-ride during this trip, how good or how bad these gloves are. See, it comes with a wiper also. When your visor is it's raining and your visor is wet, just wipe it like this. You can operate your phone with these gloves also. I'll start, okay, because I will take time. Fucking hell. Okay. चल पड़ी चल पड़ी. All right. The things that I'm going through on this ride with this bike. You know, I had borrowed a Royal Enfield Himalayan from my friend Jaideep. I thought I'll ride the Himalayan along with Yudhvir on his Himalayan. We'll do the Ladakh trip on the Himalayans. But then I thought, I wanna try out the X-Pulse, the big bore X-Pulse. I think I might have been happier on the Himalayan, to be very honest. It's not that the X-Pulse is bad. The Shah's X-Pulse is doing just fine. But maybe I would have been happier on the Himalayan. So while he disappears, I'm left climbing like this. Tanglangla 11. It'll take me 15-20 minutes if I keep riding, if the bike doesn't pick up pace. And I keep riding like this. Drive slow. As if I have an option right now. Rumsey 40. Shit. My bike feels like a truck, you know, that slowly keeps moving. But we don't lose hope, we don't give up, we keep riding. Poor Yudhvir has to ride slow for me. Leh 114, Upshi 65. We will get to Leh no matter what. It is only 7ish. 115, no? Ten 10:30 we'll be there, I feel. Wow. At least I got this view. Should I need space? I need space. I need space. I need momentum. Momentum needs to be on my side to do this. I'll have to get down to first over there. And now I just need space. If I get space, thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I feel so bad, you know, every time I'm in trouble, Yudhvir has to rescue me or ride alongside me. I ride my mountain bike on the trails, I get a flat, I call him. My KTM gets stuck in the middle of the trails. He has to, abandon all his plans and help me out. Stuff like that, People should have friends like that. And probably not like me. Up chalo. I really feel bad. He has to do this. Instead of enjoying his own ride, he has to babysit me here. Fucking hell. I'm continuing. I don't have an option. If I have to go to Leh somehow tonight. Look how quickly my bike is drinking fuel. Avalanche prone zone. I'm not even going to stop at Tanglangla. No way. This pass must be 17,000 feet high. Nice. Now we go down. Some respite. Some experience, man. And I wouldn't even call it a bad experience. It's just an experience. You know how cars and bikes go into limp mode? It feels I'm riding a vehicle in limp mode. At a place where you would need the fittest vehicle. Yeah. I need the aux lights because it's getting difficult to see. Leh 104, come on. It feels bigger than, just an air filter now. I don't know, piston rings. I don't know. Can't even see through the visor. I'm very low on fuel again. I don't know what's happening. Now I'm starting to feel real cold also. Oh, fuck. Leh was 102 the last time I remember. It's still 96. I just need to hit the plains. I just need to hit the plains. And it'll run enough to get me to Leh. Okay, now it's starting to feel like a motorcycle and not a bullock cart. Room stay 19. You know, it is very difficult to describe how cold I'm feeling. And now even the seat is extremely uncomfortable for me. I'm just unable to sit properly. So I've scooted over to one side, almost sitting on my thigh instead of the butt cheeks. यहाँ नहीं मिलेगा। 80 किलोमीटर आगे। 80 किलोमीटर तो चलेगी नहीं यार मेरी बाइक। कुछ जुगाड़ नहीं है। हाँ, next fuel pump is 80 kilometers away, so